Welcome back. The U.S. Department of Energy out with a new notice that it will sell gas from the United States, the strategic petroleum reserve, to the global market. This coming as oil prices continue to fall. Joining us now to explain the impact of all of this is Yahoo Finance's Rick Newman. So, Rick, this announcement coming earlier today, what are you hearing about what impact this could have to oil prices as Americans continue to pay attention to the prices at the pump?
Biden authorized this release of 180 million barrels of oil from the U.S. reserve back in March, and they've been releasing about 1 million barrels a day since May. And what they are talking about today, they're trying to explain the effect this is having on gas prices. And there's a new estimate by the Treasury Department that says this new oil that the government has put onto the market has helped lower gas prices by somewhere between 13 cents and 31 cents a gallon. By one estimate, it could be as high as 33 cents. And then other countries have released some oil as well. And they're saying, put it all together. And that has helped lower gas prices by as much as 38 cents per gallon. Now, that's a little bit in the weeds, and you have to understand demand elasticities to get into their methodology. I think we're probably going to hear some economists say this oil that the U.S. government has released has had nowhere near that much effect. But at any rate, we have seen gas prices come down from a high of $5.02 in the middle of June. Today, they're around $4.30. So that's a big drop. And they could keep going down. Some forecasters are saying they could get down to $4 a gallon or even a little bit below on average.
Yeah, with that said, Rick, I mean, the release is set to end in October. We had Amos Hochstein, who's senior energy advisor for President Biden, on last week saying we're not going to extend it. This was always meant to be a bit of a Band-Aid when the private sector was investing in additional drilling. So, I mean, if we take the Treasury at its word in terms of how big of a discount we have seen in gas prices as a result of this, what does this mean for the fall?
Well, let's consider the political motivation here. I mean, the Biden White House has been desperate to demonstrate that it's doing something to get gas prices down. And that was a very hard case to make when gas prices were not coming down, because they had to say, well, they'd be even higher still if we weren't doing this. But now gas prices have come down, and they're trying to say, look, we deserve some of the credit here. I don't think it's an accident that this release of oil ends in October, right before the November midterms. The administration clearly doing whatever it can to get prices down as much as possible by the time voters decide whether Democrats should get to keep their majorities in Congress.
Yeah, no, very much a pressing political issue as we get closer to November. Yahoo Finance's Rick Newman, thanks so much.